Hello and welcome to our channel in YouTube. My name is Joel Dominguez.
Hi, and I am Maria Palmieri. We are salsa dancers and we're also studio owners. We actually have our studio, JoelSalsa, in New York City, as well as our online school, My Salsa Online. We will be uploading content for salsa dancers, anything from salsa tips, even live virtual classes, even Salsa Ladies Styling tips.
So if you're an instructor or you are a dance studio owner, we are going to share tips with you on how to grow your audience, how to reach more people, and of course have a better presence online. So we're going to share tips about marketing, how to run online and virtual classes, and much more.
So if you want to be the first to know every time we upload content weekly, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell so you will get notified when we upload new content.
So we will see you on the next videos. Again, welcome to our channel and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next videos.
See you in the videos.